Hello and welcome to our new video. In this demonstration we're going to look at a new step in the customization framework. Our team added further improvements to the customization framework that was introduced in the Produmex WMS 2023.06 version last year. As a further improvement in the customization framework, now there is a new Events tab and a Customization Manager table. This means it is easier now to implement complex logics on the selection of UI fields and reduce the number of clicks by creating automated workflows. And you can even filter your options in the Customization Manager. Use the existing customization framework with the new functionality to automatically fill UI fields based on database user queries. To summarize the new feature, let's see an example for the newly upgraded customization framework. In this example, we will set a default customer for sales return. Open the mobile client in customization mode and let's create a simple custom query to automatize a workflow. Navigate to the sales return screen on the mobile client and turn on the activation mode to customize the default customer. The customization panel just popped up. This is the general screen from the Customization Framework 1, but now there is an extra Events tab. In the Load Event field you can add the preferred name for your user query. In this case the name will be Sales Return. Then pushing the Save button, the process is done here. For the next step, open the Query Manager in your Business One. In the Manager tab you can find your newly created empty query. Just double-click on the name and a new screen will pop up. Here you can add your unique query. If everything seems fine, then save your work and let's see the result. On the left side you can see the standard workflow for the sales return process. In the list you can find every customer. To select the required customer for the sales return you must do it manually. After you found the customer on your list, go on with your manual workflow. As you can see, it can be a quite long and monotonous process if you have more than 100 customers. Let's see the customized workflow. The required customer for the sales return is already selected and the screen is automatically goes on without clicking on the forward button. Let's open the mobile client in the customization mode again. The customization panel has a new button called Manage. With clicking on that button, a newly added screen will pop up. This is the Customization Manager. With this recently added screen now you have more option than before. This new UI will help you filter your queries. Here you can list all of your unique queries that you generated previously. And if you already created a lot of automated workflows, you will have probably a lot of queries. It could be difficult to find the right one, but in this case the Customization Manager could help you. Your options are very wide. You can filter by screen, user groups, users, and controls. And if a query is no longer needed, you can easily delete it as well. We hope you enjoyed this little demonstration. Thank you very much for your attention and please stay tuned for our upcoming videos. If you have any questions or comments, please do not hesitate to contact us.